Surah 80, Abasa, he frowned. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate. He frowned and turned away. That the blind man came to him. How could you know? Perhaps he would cleanse himself. Or he might be mindful and good counsel might avail him. Now he who waxes indifferent, you attend to him. Though you are not to blame if he would not cleanse himself, but he who comes to you running and fears Allah, you pay no heed to him. No, indeed, this is only a reminder. So whoso wills may give heed to it. It is contained in scrolls highly honored, most exalted and purified, borne by the hands of scribes, noble and purified. Accursed be man, how stubbornly he denies the truth. Out of what did Allah create him? Out of a sperm drop did he create him, and then determined a measure for him, and then made the course of life easy for him. Then he caused him to die and brought him to the grave. And then, whenever he wishes, he will raise him back to life. Nay, but man did not fulfill what Allah had enjoined upon him. So let man just consider his food. We poured water, pouring it in great abundance, and cleaved the earth, cleaving it asunder, then caused the grain to grow out of it, together with grapes and vegetables, and olives and palms, and dense orchards, and fruits and pastures. All this as a provision for you and your cattle. But when the deafening cry shall be sounded, on the day when each man shall flee from his brother, and his mother and his father, and his consort and his children, on that day each will be occupied with his own business, making him oblivious of all save himself. Some faces on that day shall be beaming with happiness, and be cheerful and joyous. Some faces on that day shall be dust-ridden, enveloped by darkness. These will be the unbelievers, the wicked.